I've said this before and I'll say it again. See if there's a fucking button right there. You fucking put this, blow this fucking planet of Kingdom Come. The whole fucking thing. Like, just make it like, no, that sounds like terrorism. Just wipe it out of existence. Press the button's gone. Everything. Fuck, blah, blah, man. Whole thing. Gone. Gone. Like that. If it was like that. Just like that. Everybody. I'd do it. I'd be the one to do it. And it'd be the right thing. It is better that there's no life. It's better that there's no life anywhere in the fucking universe. It's better that there's just none of it. It doesn't work. It doesn't work.